Hello everyone, welcome to Diako Travel channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most unique and beloved celebrations in Iran, Yalda night. Have you ever wondered why this night is so special? Why do families gather around, share fruits, and recite poetry? Stick with me, and I promise you'll discover fascinating traditions and stories that make this night unforgettable. The history of Yalda night. Yalda, or Shabe Yalda, has deep roots in Persian culture, going back to ancient times. The celebration marks the longest night of the year, when darkness is at its peak and the light slowly begins to return. Imagine it, a night when light overcomes darkness, a perfect symbol of hope and renewal. And did you know that people used to gather around a fire telling stories and sharing tales to keep the night lively? Can you imagine the warmth and the glow of that fire, surrounded by family and friends? Traditional foods of Yalda. Traditionally, families gather around the table with fruits like watermelon, pomegranate, and persimmons. These fruits are not just delicious, but they also have symbolic meanings. The watermelon represents health and freshness, while the pomegranate symbolizes fertility and the renewal of life. Imagine sitting around the table with your loved ones, sharing stories, enjoying these fruits, and making memories that last a lifetime. I bet only the true Yalda experts know the full story. Leave your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. Technology and modern life have changed how people celebrate. Instead of sitting around a fire, now people might be glued to their phones or watching TV. Still, the essence of the night, celebrating family, love, and the victory of light over darkness, remains unchanged. Conclusion. So, whether you're celebrating in Iran or around the world, Yalda night is a perfect opportunity to reflect on the year that has passed and to hope for the light to come. I hope this video gave you a glimpse into this special celebration and sparked your curiosity about Iranian culture. If you've ever celebrated Yalda, or if you have any unique traditions from your own culture that you'd like to share, make sure to comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. And remember, if you want to explore more of Iran's hidden gems and rich traditions, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to Diako Travel for more.